Rich consultants.
Startup on water harvesting. We have standardized the process of rainwater harvesting from roof, roads, and underground water by all systems. So I'll just take you quickly. So one of the things that we have transformed is the narrative. We have changed the narrative from pollution control to conservation. So this was very essential if we really wanted to transform, and that was the reason in 4 years I could only do 5 projects, and in next 4 years I could do more than 300 projects because of this. So, and all these projects are not an NGO-like project, they are commercial projects where the owners have paid for them. Then we have started changing the narrative on why conservation is important. So, just a context I am giving you from Shimla city. So, 150 years old ago, the water used to come right in the city. Right now, it's coming nearly 150 kilometers away from the city. That's a very big problem. 50 years down the line, there won't be any solution if we don't do conservation right now. We do 3 things like I told: from rainwater from the roof, rainwater from roads and drains, which are basically storm water, and third thing is rain gardens, which we come from soils. There are bodies out there in hills, there's slope stabilization, stuff like that. This is our proprietary patented 9-step rainwater harvesting project. This has been awarded with UNESCO's Best Initiative in Rainwater Harvesting globally. And with this, we make something called, I will come in the next slide quickly. So convert rainwater to drinking water. One of the problems that we solve is we have made rainwater profitable entity. So basically we call it net water positive. It's a component of net zero, and institution, even a hotel and industry can completely survive with water. This is the second thing what we are doing, which is part of this is transformation. We are changing the narrative from the conservation, but both for the individuals, industries, factories, households, and even for cities. So this is just some context on what happens, what is it? This is the second component on pollution control. This is how in hills the drains are made, the so-called urbanization and channelization, what NIU is proposing, which I am totally against it. But we have made natural stormwater filters, which mimic the natural, it's a part of biomimicry. We have mechanized it without any machinery recurring cost. They are stormwater filters, and we are promoting that they should be installed like dustbins in drains, the way it is being done. And the next thing down, this is a very interesting picture on rain gardens. So this is basically a mycorrhiza, a sponge for mushroom in simple terms, a basic thing. So forests are currently taken as plants, trees, but they are not this. They are complete living entity communicating and talking within themselves. So we are making rain gardens or landscape, which is actually natural. So I will take you in the context. So there are a lot of things we do, like bioswales and lots of things. I will just give you context because we are in Delhi. I had a webinar with someone. If anyone goes to cannot place, I say everyone has killed cannot place, because they have made plants in planters covered by cemented things. Now they are dead. Unless you don't water them, unless you don't put mud to them, in 10, 15 days, 1 month, they will die. They're not natural plants anymore. They are just artificial entities which we have put. Natural thing will survive in itself. That's what is rain gardens. So we have commercially made rain gardens which are surviving for 3-4 years in commercial projects without even putting 1 drop of water extra. We're only surviving on this. This was one of our very interesting projects with the government. So this is Himachal Pradesh University. So that's conserving annually about 2 crore liters of water, and around 300 to 400 students of law faculty and arts block are completely getting water from this rain garden. And that's flowing storm water. This is also one of a very premium project which we had done. So they had consultants right from architects from Delhi and everywhere. So we suggested them go from a natural based solution. So this is, if you see, this one is a very interesting picture. We are promoting natural khadanja, it's a local term, where we promote natural drainage, which is recharging and recycling the entire system. Just a context in small things. And so this is the step we do and how we go ahead with that. So thank you so much. If you don't do water harvesting now, we will be eating more of microplastics. Thank you so much.